everyone, in this video our topics is about the limits of a function. So in mathematics, the limit of a function is a fundamental concept in calculus and analysis concerning the behavior of that function near a particular input. Formal definitions, first devised in the early 19th century, are given below. Informally, a function f assigns an output f of x to every input x. Limit and continuity. Existence of a limit. The limit of a function f of x exists if and only if the one-sided limits of the functions are equal. Limit of x of c f of x is equal to L if and only if limit x to c f of x is equal to limit x of c positive f of x is equal to L. The continuity. A function is continuous at c when the following three conditions are met. Number 1, f of c is defined. Number 2, limit of x of c f of x exists. Number 3, limit of x of c f of x is equal to f of c. So, limit theorem. What is the limit theorem? As x approaches c, the limit of f of x is L. If the limit from the left exists and the limit from the right exists and both limits are L. So, direct substitution property. If f is a polynomial or a rational function and a is the domain of f, then limit of x of a f of x is equal to f of a. For example, evaluate the following limits. A. Limit of x to a is 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Then RB is limit of x to negative 2 x squared, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 1 over 5 minus 3x. So this is the solution of our A. We just substitute our x, so to the value of our x. So in letter A, the value of our x is 5. So all x, let's substitute the 5. So that's why we have 2 times 5 squared minus 3 times 5 plus 4. So our answer is 39. And then sa letter B, limit of x to negative 2. Let's substitute negative 2 in every x. So we have negative 2 cubed plus 2 times negative 2 squared minus 1 all over 5 minus 3 times negative 2. So negative 2 cubed is equal to negative 8 plus negative 8 plus negative 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8, then minus 1. So all over 3 times negative 12. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 plus 5 is 11. That's why our answer is negative 1 over 11. Factoring and cancelling. So for example, find the limit of x of 1, x squared minus 1 all over x minus 1. So let's substitute x So the factor of x squared is x minus 1 and no, the factor of x squared minus 1 is x minus 1 times x plus 1 all over x minus 1. Then we can cancel the x minus 1. So we have x minus 1 left. No, x plus 1. X minus 1, then x minus 1. So we have x plus 1. Then is equal to limit of x of 1 times x plus 1. Then let's substitute the value of our x, which is 1. That's why we have 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 is our final answer. So that's the end of my video.